Hello and welcome to QC Event School's Event and Wedding Planning course. My name is Sandra and I'm joined today with Candace Coppola of Jubilee Events. We're sitting here in her gorgeous event design studio in Cheshire, Connecticut. Now throughout these videos, Candace is going to walk us through a bit of the business side of being an event or wedding planner. So I just know that we're going to really value her experience and knowledge on the subject. Now Candace, can you just give us a little bit of background on yourself and how you came to be where you are today?
Sure. I started out in art in college. I was an art history major, and I found it challenging to parlay that into any sort of career after college. But I had a love affair with events, and I loved to host events at my home, have family and friends over, and found myself wanting to see if I could parlay that into a career. And I also loved designing interiors and all those kind of things. So I was able to find myself in a career where I could host parties and then also make them beautiful.
So your passion and your interests gave you a career that you can love. That's amazing. What were those first days like when you got started?
Fun. It was a really amazing challenge. I really enjoyed the building of my business. It took me about a year to work on my business and figure out what I wanted it to be. I wrote a business plan. I really did a lot of research on my industry and my market, and developed a brand that has been very successful over the past 7 years.
Wonderful. And so now today, how has your career changed from those first early years?
Oh, it's changed pretty tremendously. The first few years was a lot of hard work, getting my name out there, building a business, and trying to retain clients. We worked really, really hard and did a lot of weddings at a different scale and different size. But now we're doing a lot of amazing things at a different level, which is really exciting.
I guess you're kind of where you wanted to be in those first early days.
Very true, yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, Candace, I'm so excited to hear more about how you developed your career as we move forward in these videos.
Me too. Thank you.
Thank you.